Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper, and my name is Inshalbek, and today I will show you how to build an amazing project using Next.js, and this video will be really helpful, so remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn one to one thing about this video. And if you are new here, so please hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn about these amazing things and skills which we are giving through our channel. And if you are new here, so also hit the subscribe button and notification bell, from which you'll be getting all the notifications of my video when I'll be uploading. And also share, because when you share with more people, so they can learn about these amazing languages and coding language which we are giving through our channel, and this video will be also really helpful, so remember to see from start to end so you can learn one to one things about this video. And if you are new here, so you can check my previous courses also which I have uploaded of like Next.js and then React.js tutorials. You can check that out to learn these amazing languages and become full stack developer of that. So just I hope you'll be understanding these things, and now we'll be starting with our project. So now, like I'm telling you, we will be building a Next.js amazing project using Next.js. So just now I'll be building our project. So simply I'll be going to my search box. Here I'll be opening my VS Code text editor, and now when you open your VS Code text editor, just you have to do one thing. You have to close these all files which we are having previously on, because now we have to create our new folder. Here I'll be closing all these previous files which I am getting. Now here I will be moving to command prompt to create my folder, because when we work with React.js or Next.js, we use command prompt to create our folder. So here I'll be first of all selecting the location where I want to create my folder. It should be local disk app, so I'll be writing app and pressing enter. Now when you create your folder, just you have to do one thing here, like you have to now write the command from which you can create your folder. So here I will be now writing npx create dash. So here I'll be writing npx create. Now you have to write dash next, because we are working with Next.js. So I'll be writing next app. If you are working with React.js, you can write npx create react app, but we are working with Next.js, so I'll be writing npx create next app, then give space, and then you have to write the folder name from which name you have to create your folder. So I'll be giving it the name, means I will be giving the name to my folder as I will be writing here the name like we are building. So I'll be writing amazing dash project. So I'll be writing, then you have to press enter, and when you'll be pressing enter, you have to wait a while till it is creating your folder. You can see now it is asking that you want to create. I'll be pressing Y to write yes, then you have to press enter. You can see now it is creating your React tab. Now it is installing dependencies and things which we needed to work with Next.js. So you have to wait a while. It will be not taking too much time. It will be taking some of the minutes, or you can say some seconds, to create your folder. So you have to wait a while till it is creating your folder. And now it is resolving some of the packages here by using this React and React down, because we need React also when we are working with Next.js. So here it is installing the dependencies here which we needed to work with our project, and this project will be really helpful, so remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn one to one thing about this video, and this video will be really helpful also. You can see now it is resolving packages here. So if it is stuck, you can press enter here by moving here, and then you can press or use enter to just move it forward, because it stuck some of the while and it does not work, because we just don't use enter. So now when I pressed enter, you can see now it is working here and it is creating our folder. Now you have to do it full screen to our VS Code. Then I'll be opening command prompt. You can see it is creating our folder. So you have to wait a while till it is creating the folder. So now you can see it is installing some of the Next.js and React.js dependencies which we needed to work with this. So here now when you're done with this, you have to just now you have to wait a while till it is creating these things. And then when you've just done that, just you have to wait a while, because now it is resolving packages and it is using yarn. So I'm using yarn also. If you are working with npm, so don't do one thing like I'm working with yarn and then you are saying that you are working with npm. So here this thing is not good. Then when you just create these things here, when you've done with that, here you can see now it is fetching packages, and it will be not taking too much time, and it will be building, and you can say it will be fetch packages fast, so it will be not taking too much time to create. So my net connection is not working too much good, because of that it is taking too much time to create our folder. So you can see now it is creating the folder here. So when it will be created, I will be meeting you there. So here you can see now my folder has been created, because previously all my net connection was not working, because of that my folder was not creating. But now I have created the folder with the other name. Now when you created the folder, simply move to your VS Code here. Then I'll be opening my folder, like I've just given the name to my folder. So I'll be moving to local disk app. Then here, this is my folder with the name of amazing project 2. Now you can see my folder has been opened, so I'll be moving to terminal. Here I will be running this, so I'll be writing npm run dev because this is the command to run Next.js. Now it will be running in your default browser. My default browser is Opera. I'll be opening that. Right, localhost, you can see. So I'll be opening localhost. Now you can see this is our Next.js app which is now created, and you can see now it is working. So I'll be doing it side by side, so you can just see the codes here which I am doing at the left side, you can see at the right. So I'll be doing it big. You can see now it is done like this. Now when you've just done that, here you have to just move to your amazing project. Then you have to move to pages, move to index.js file, erase all the things from here because now we don't need these things. So I'll be erasing till this main. Do not erase this head and this close div. Save this. You can see all the things has been gone. So we have to write our own code. So I'll be copying this head tag here. Now when you copy this, just you have to make a folder here in this src folder which should be components. Now when you create this folder, just you have to make 3 files in this folder. One will be name of header.js, and then second with the name of footer.js, and then third with the name of like layout.js, and first letter should be capital of every file which you are creating, means every 3 files. Now I'll be moving to header.js, write rafc, then I'll be writing here h1, and then when you've written this h1 here, so I'll be now writing header. So when you've written this, save this file here, move to footer.js, do same thing here also. So I'll be moving to footer.js, write rafc here, then erase this footer from here, and then move down, write h1 tag here also, then I'll be writing footer. Save this by pressing Ctrl S, move to layout.js, repeat same thing, and here I will be doing one thing. One change will be like I will be pasting that head tag which I have copied. Now erase this link and meta tag because now we don't need these. So I'll be moving down here, then write h1 again, then I'll be writing layout. Now when you've written this, save this file here. Now we have to import head which we have written here because now we have written, so we have to import it also. Move to index.js, erase this header from here because now we have copied. I'll be copying this import header, erase these 2 things because now we have removed that. Save this file, move to layout.js and import header. Now when you have import this, you have to move down, and now when you move down here, you have to create a header. Then I'll be closing this, same as you have to create footer, and then we have to import these both things also. So I'll be moving here, then you have to import header. Now when you import this header, you have to close this, and then same as I'll be importing footer also because we have written that. Now save this file here, and if I reload, you can see nothing happens because now we have to create layout tag in our index.js file. I will be moving here, then you have to move underneath this, you have to write layout. So I'll be writing layout, press enter, you can see layout has been imported at the top. I will be copying this layout close tag by pressing Ctrl C, erase from here and paste underneath div. You can see now we are getting layout, header and footer like we want, and you can see it is looking good. Now you can give it gab and things like by using bootstraps. I'll be moving to my layout.js file, move on your Google, then here you have to open bootstrap CDN. So right here bootstrap, then you have to write CDN. Now when you have opened this, you have to move here this bootstrap CDN, so you can just move here by get started bootstrap. Now I'll be moving here, you can copy it CDN here by pressing Ctrl S, and then you can copy. So here I'll be now writing bootstrap CDN like this. Now just you will be getting bootstrap CDN here, so you can copy the bootstrap CDN and then you can work with that. So here now we are getting bootstrap CDN. So here I'll be pressing this first tag. Now I can move down, you can see this is the CSS link because we are working with CSS. So I'll be copying this, don't copy JS one, mean JavaScript one. Then I'll be pasting it here underneath this div. There I'll be writing origin like this. You have to take it down, same as I'll be doing for integrity which we have written here. So here I'll be making it down. Then move down here, erase this link from here because now we don't need, and then I'll be closing this. So close like this. Save this file here, and you can see now we are getting, and its font family has been changed. You can see now you can give it the padding and things which you want to give. Move to header.js here, then you can just write here a tag which should be like class name and should be capital of class name. Now you can write here container. Save this. You can see now it is going forward because now we have given it container. Now if you want that your text should be in center, so you can write text center. Save this. You can see your text has been centered. Now you can just give bg-info, and now you have to save this. You can see now we are getting the info background. You can write green. Save this. So you'll be getting the info, or you can say blue. Save this file, so you will be getting that colors which you are giving to your file. So this was the background, and then when you write info, you will be showing the info color, and then if you want to give any other color else, you can give it also. Now when you've written this, you have to just erase this class name from here. Then simply you have to do one thing here, like I'll be erasing this, then we will be using a tag here. Now when you've just written this a tag here, I will be now writing this a tag, then you have to write href. In this href I will be now writing like the link which I want to write, so I'll be writing https, then I'll be writing www.google.com. now you have to just write here header. So now you have to paste, save this, and if I press this, so I'll be moving to Google. You can see now I'm moving to Google because now we have written link here. So here you can see this was the thing which I want to show you. Now you can give it class name, you can style this, you can write here container. So I'll be writing container, save this. You can see when I've given container, it is moving forward. You can take your text in center also by writing text center. So if I write text center, save this. So here you can see your text should be in center, and now our text is also in center. So this was the thing which I want to show you here. Now you can give padding also, like you can see now we are getting padding from here. So a tag now we have used, so I'll be moving to footer section, and here I'll be raising this h1 from here, and then I will be using some of the other tag in this footer, and then you can use other tag like ABBR tag. So here I'll be writing that. Now you can see we have written this ABBR, then you can write in this footer, save this. You can see now it is going small because now we have used ABBR tag in this. Now you can use many other tag also in Next.js, like when you use in HTML. So you can just use style tag also, like when you write style, you can move down, then you can style these things here. So I'll be writing h1, so write h1, then you can write header, save here, then you have to move, then you have to write h1, and then move forward. Here you have to write text align, so you can write like this, then here you can write center. Now you have to save this, and you can see now we are writing these things here. So you can style these tags also by writing this style. So here when you'll be moving down, save this, and you can see now we are getting, so you can write style is equals to bg, and then you can write bg dash do, save this. So you can see now all things has been gone because now we are using style tag. You can use container, save this, and you can see these all things has been gone because we are using the style tag here. Now you can import the CSS file from here. So I'll be importing, now I'll be importing CSS file. So you can see this is the style, so I'll be writing import, then you have to write this, then you have to write dot slash, and then you have to write style, then you have to write slash, and here you have to write globals dot css. Now here when you've written these things, just you have to now save this file here, and you can see now we have just when we have imported, so it is giving the error like this. So here you can write the folder name. So here I'll be now writing slash, then you have to just give your folder name, which should be, so I'll be writing dot slash, then you have to write like the thing like your directory. So you can write your directory name here. So now save this file, and you can see now this it import has been gone. So here I'll be now saving this, and when you save this, you can see we are getting, so you can create one file in here, means in this components folder. So I'll be moving here, then I'll be giving it the name as app.css. So here when you have created your file, you have to save this. So here I'll be moving to footer.js, then write import, and here I will be now writing this dot slash, then you have to write app.css. Now you can link your style sheet here, and then you can work with this also. So here this was the thing which I want to show you, and I just showing you how to link a style sheet here. So now you can link your style sheet by using these amazing commands here. So now I hope you understand how to just import these things, and I hope you understand how to import. And you can also give the title here, you can see. And today I just show you how to just how to style a sheet. So today I will show you how to just import a sheet in Next.js, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn about these amazing things which we are doing with React.js and Next.js, and I hope you will be enjoying this video also. Remember to hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video which I will be uploading, and I hope you will be understanding and enjoying this video also. So like this, you can enjoy my all previous video also. So I will be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.